Testing! And it goes a little something like.
I'll keep you warm all summer, and after all, I'll keep you warm all summer.
Good morning. Happy Monday. It's Monday, the 14th of November. And I have told myself that I'm gonna vlog every week until the end of the year. I don't know what that was about, but I'm gonna try. Testing! Alright. I need to eat breakfast. I'm tripping. Good morning. Today is, I already told y'all what today was. Alright, so I went and ran my errands. All I did was go to Publix to get some like coffee. I need to get some dishwasher pods. Something for lunch. So I got some shrimp. What else did I get? Hand soap for the kitchen. Just like regular. I ran out. I need some more shit. Yeah. Came back to work to complete chaos. Because I was off Thursday and something broke Friday. Well, we were closed on Friday and something broke. And so I was Stevie Wonder to the bullshit because baby, I have today off. I'm not logging in. So yeah. Something broke at work on Friday and now I am putting out fires on Monday. Which I'm totally fine with because I don't mind that I had my time on Friday. Like, I don't, no, I'm not, no, fucking girl, leave me alone. Anyway, about to make some breakfast and finish my work. I don't really have much. So, okay, actually, we can talk about this. So, I said, I'm gonna make a vlog one day a week to the end of the year. I am? You are? It is. Huh. Interesting. But yeah, I'm gonna try. I'm really gonna try really, really, really hard. Some weeks I probably won't get to. You be alright, but yeah, I'm gonna try to make this shit shake, you know what I'm saying? Okay, yeah, so what do I have planned for this week? Today's Monday. I don't have anything planned today. I have quite a few meetings actually I need to get on. Like start preparing for them. So I'm not gonna sit here and talk to y'all all fucking day. Tuesday. I think I have a doctor's appointment today. Tuesday, nothing to do. Wednesday, nothing to do. Thursday, nothing to do. Friday, nothing to do. Saturday, I have Saturday I have a Friendsgiving to go to, and then Sunday I have a Friendsgiving to go to. So that's my weekend. Next week is dead ass Thanksgiving. I think that's so crazy, but time is flying. Bitch, I'm about to turn 30. I'm literally the scatterbrain. I turned 30 in like 3 weeks and I am excited. I don't have anything planned, which is insane, but it's very on brand for me. I was gonna go to Palm Springs, but I'm gonna go to New York the week after my birthday. But that's not for my birthday. So there's that. Palm Springs, not Florida. California. Was gonna do that. So yeah, I don't know. I think I might be just gonna like take myself out, do something nice for me. You know, just love on me. You feel me? Buy myself something nice. I do that anyway. But yeah, I don't know exactly what I should do. Let me know. Like, if y'all got ideas, I'm real chill. I don't really be like, I just said I'm real chill. Why I sit there and lie like that? I'm not that chill. I'm actually very chill. I'm an introverted extrovert. And if you really, really, really know me, you know that. Like, I be showing y'all the wild, crazy, silly, funny me. But bitch, I don't be liking being around. I just like to be alone by myself. Y'all do too fucking much. But yeah. You have any ideas for somebody like me? Don't want to go to the club. Although that would sound fun. That do sound fun. But I don't think I want to go to the club. I don't know. We'll see. But I'm about to do some work here, so let's chit chat later.
You've been waiting so long. I'm here to answer your call. I know that I shouldn't have had you waiting at all. I've been so busy, but I've been thinking about what I wanna do with you. I know them other guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They
Hi guys, good morning. It's Tuesday, and I haven't gotten out of the bed yet. I did get out of the bed to go make some breakfast, but that's about it. I'm just sitting here working. I was watching Home Alone 2, Lost in New York. But y'all, it's rainy as hell. You can't see, but you can like see it's dark and like gloomy. And I just don't feel like doing shit. But I'm gonna get up eventually before my next meeting and get myself together. But I did say I'm gonna vlog, drop a new vlog every week. So I had to just check in with you guys. I'm not doing shit, but I have a few things I need to do, but I'm not going nowhere today, so I don't think I'm gonna do them. And they really not shit that, like, it's not nothing I gotta do for real. It's just like things I want to get done. So I'm gonna run these errands another day. Oh my god, my lashes look crazy. I need to text my lash tech. Oh my god, it's literally a huge gap. I hope there's some lashes right there though. Anyway, TTYL, I'll be back later. Welcome back, guys. So I made it to the car. So I'm gonna go to Goodwill first. Then I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's because I don't want my groceries to I don't want my groceries to just sit in the car. So I'm gonna go there first. Hopefully traffic's not really bad. I really hope it's not, but it's 5 o'clock, so maybe it is. But I'm not leaving, like, I'm trying to go in the city. I'm not trying to leave the city, so we'll see. Hopefully I got a little favoritism. So yeah, I'm about to turn on some music. It's a little gloomy. Well, not a little, it's gloomy as hell. Like, it's still rainy, but I gotta get this shit done. So yeah, I'll call you back later. But I made it to Goodwill. It was backwards, my bad, but I'm about to go in here and see what they got. Hopefully, I'm at a good one, so hopefully they got all the gems. But watch out, come out here, 50% off yellow tag items. Perfect. Okay, I'm not gonna get a shopping cart because I'm not that invested. But yeah, all right, it really stinks in here. Okay, I gotta go. Bye. Made it to Trader Joe's finally. It's fucking 7 o'clock almost, and I was walking out and he was having a little powwow. He was like, yeah, I'm overworked and y'all got more people now, but he was giving him a piece of his mind. But anyway, I'm about to take my black ass home. It's dark and it's not even, the night's not even over. Jesus. But I'm struggling anyway. Wow angle, but I don't even have my stand. I told you I need to order it. I need to order a few things for Amazon. But in the meantime, hey guys, I told you I was gonna run errands today, and I'm running my errands. My first errand is getting these fucking caterpillars tamed. I not believe the shit that just happened to me, and yes, if you're wondering, I've been fucking crying. Do y'all see my eyebrows? I'm about to cry again. Did to me. Just...
What they say? Give me.
Got shot, but he resurrected today.
No, give me. No, I don't remember.
It's Gimme got shot.
I feel like it's another one.
All I know is Gimme don't live here.
Jeffrey.
Kelsey.
So this Airbnb is 566.
I literally look like I'm going like this.
This Airbnb is 566. Is that too much? I'm about to spark my food up. Are you listening? I don't have to deal with this.
It did get catfish vibes.
You never know.
Maybe it is.
I mean, it looks like
Guys.
What, Maji?
I'm a little bite.
Spicy.
Yeah, I do want some. Ooh, you got shrimp. And you got shrimp.
I got shrimp and chicken. She got chicken. Y'all seen that TikTok of that girl? She be eating that all the time, and then she be giving reviews. But every time she don't cook it, she got something to say about that.
Oh, Jenny Nice.
Now this is what I'm talking about. This is what I call fine dining. All right now.
I got a hangover. Whoa.
With my eyebrows, like, I cannot believe she would do this to me. What my monitor looks like. Turn on. Okay, so I just pulled off my sensor. That's what I was ripping earlier. I pulled it off. It was kind of a mistake. Well, I didn't really pull it off, but I pulled it and it started lifting a little bit, and it was about to come off eventually because I was trying to scratch it. But the whole thing just ended up coming off. So I ripped the whole thing off. So now I'm about to do another one. This is a sensor pack. This is the sensor applicator. All right, so it's real easy. There's this, unscrew this, and then I gotta open this. I'm gonna show you the scary part. Just gotta line these two. And line this up with this line. I showed you guys this on my TikTok. Now it's in there. It's ready to be used. Look at the fucking... This is what scared me the first time. This needle, like, I said, oh my God, look at that needle. But yeah, look at it. I don't even feel it. That's the crazy part. Don't feel shit when it goes in. So that's the good part. So now I'm just waiting for this to dry. Is it ready? I think it is. It's just cold. Okay. All right, here we go. I gotta go to the mirror, so I can't do it on camera. BRB? Okay. It's ready, and I can't do it on camera because I need to really like look at the spot that I'm doing. So I'll be right back. It's on. Took literally 2 seconds. You can see right there. Just patting it down around the edges to make sure it's on there. I think I'm gonna get some skin guards because it be lifting it up. But I also have the freestyle Libre 3s that I need to pick up from the pharmacy. So after this last one, then I'm gonna start using those, which I need to go pick up tomorrow. And I need to go pick up my Island plane. Well, I have a whole pen left, but anyway. I'm about to go cry over my eyebrows some more. I'll talk to you guys later. Hey friends. So I'm just doing some work. Like, I'm actually working. I've been working all day. It's 1:03. And these niggas acting like it's Monday. It's Friday, okay? I'm not really even supposed to be working because it's Friday. But no. My lunch is just coming over. I'm about to make some lunch. I got this chicken from Trader Joe's. Actually, I'm gonna show you. It's these chicken thighs. It's a chicken thigh. But they said they were so good on TikTok, so I'm gonna make these. I'm putting them in the air fryer. And I'm gonna eat this salad I have that I also got from Trader Joe's with it. So that's what's for lunch. I'll probably eat that for dinner as well. But I'm just sitting here working, doing nothing fun, nothing exciting. So yeah. When your bank account get low. Oop. It's wine time, guys. You know, it's Friday.
It's Friday. It's Friday.
We're just gonna wind
It's the end of the
down.
week and the last day. Kelsey, it's on you. What you gonna do?
Well, I'ma get my drink on.
What?
I'ma get my freak on.
What?
I'ma get my eat on
Yeah.
all weekend long. Your turn.
It's Friday.
It's Friday.
It's the end of the week and the last day. Give me. It's on you. What you gonna do? Well, I'm gonna get my drink on. I'm gonna get my party on. I'm gonna get my
all weekend long.
I couldn't think of anything
I barely have an 8 ounce, 6 ounce, whatever ounce pour. 16 ounce, 12 ounce, 8 ounce pour. 12, I don't know. Cheers. Salud to Friday. Wow. Bitches really be getting surgery to get dimples. It's crazy to me.
Is that a
It's a birthday.
Is that a sweet wine?
I'm slow. Huh? Yeah. No. This is a Cabernet Sauvignon. Whoa. Bro, I cannot believe this lady fucked my brother like this. I had a dream about it.
Why haven't you just penciled it in? I'll get it.
I mean, I'm sitting around the house. I can stand and look at myself. Not that fucking ugly.
Damn, why wouldn't this one have any reviews? I'm pissing off.
And
All right, we're in the house. Hey, can you shut your pie hole?
I was literally mid.
I don't care. Hey guys. See, she's a bitch.
Hello. Capture that. Capture that. Keep that. Anyway, the person has their earphones in, and then the other person calls, and they're
Are you
like,
trying to TikTok?
"Let me just."
And they're like, what?
And they like, you can't hear the person, but they're trying to tell you what to say, and they're like, "What? No, okay, let me find it. Scratch that."
So guys, we're in the house tonight. As I told y'all, we have like 60 Friendsgivings to go to this weekend. Wow, just look at my fucking eyebrows.
God.
I'm back. I'm ready to go. I got dressed real quick. Get some tampons. Shoes are downstairs. And yeah. We good. I just brushed my hair real quick. And then we out of here. I'm gonna show y'all my outfit. Real regular. I decided to opt out of the hat because I don't really need the hat, you know? And I don't really want to wear a hat because, yeah, I could just, yeah. Okay. Here's my outfit. Really, like, let me just flip the camera. My bed not being made. But, and the pillows right there, but this is my outfit. Real regular. My vest. Hoodie, Nike, Zara, Shein, Victoria's Secret, Cartier, Sunkissed hair coat. Y'all, I don't know what I'm waiting on ordering this stand, but I need to order it. Alright, I'm eating a pickle egg while I'm waiting for my gas to pump. I love pickle eggs. Look at it. It looks so... The inside is like yellow. It's a yolk. But the outside pink. I used to spend the summer in South Carolina. And these was our snacks. My uncle owned a store. Like a little convenience store. There was a pool table and some little gambling machines in there. And yeah, these is my snacks. Their sausage too. This is country as hell. But I can't. I had to fart. I didn't want it to be something else. Oh, shit. Okay, so I wish I could scoot this over. But not too fucking far. Okay. I got some snacks, right? So, okay, I got snacks out of the I got some snacks out of the gas station, and one of them is, they all wrap snacks, but this one is Durkio Flames Hot Crunchables. It looks delectable. This one Wrap snacks, little baby almond cheese, salt and vinegar, barbecue, onion, garlic, cayenne pepper, and more. Are we seasoning chicken? Okay, sounds good though. Not gonna knock it. Then lastly, we got sweet chili lemon pepper. Red Ross. This is popcorn. Oh, Little Baby's is popcorn too. And Dirk's is the Cheetos. So we're gonna try the Cheetos first. First, we're gonna put some. What the fuck are you looking at? You know I can see you. This ain't no fucking tent. This is 70%. I can fucking see you. Stop staring at me. So we're about to try this one first. All right. I hope they good because I'm just feeling a little Cheeto puff, you know. Smell like Cheetos. Okay. I like them. I'm trying to figure out what they taste like. They don't taste like nothing I've had before. But like, they're not as dense as hot Cheetos. It's a little more airy. It's like the hot fries, but in the shape of hot Cheeto. Spicier. Well, not spicier, but spicy. But I like the spice. They could have made them a little hotter. I fuck with these. I fuck with these heavy. I like these better than hot Cheetos. Yeah, I said it. All right, next. Actually, next we got some water. Because your girl's thirsty. All right. Next, we're trying Little Baby all-in cheese popcorn. I imagine this tastes like voodoo chips, because that's what chips taste like. Smells like popcorn. That's what it look like. I don't want to tap the screen because y'all know my shit acting funny, but that's what it look like. All right. I was right. It tastes like voodoo chips, but on popcorn. These is good as fuck. You can definitely taste the barbecue. Salt and vinegar for the show. Yeah, I can taste all this. All right, this one. I'll give this one. Oh, I'm gonna give the Cheetos a 10 out of 10. I like those. I'm gonna give these the all-in cheese 8 out of 10. All right, last one. Wrap snacks, sweet chili. Mr. Rick Ross, the boss. All right. Smells like popcorn, but like candy, like candy popcorn, like ginger snaps, like cookies. They smell like cookies. Okay, this is what it look like. How big is it? Okay. I was trying to see if I was tripping. These are nasty as fuck. And the reason why I said, these smell like cookies is because it tastes like, I don't know if y'all ever had them strawberry, yum, that sounds so good. Them strawberry cookies, they like, it's a fucking strawberry cookie. It's like 2 vanilla wafers and there's a strawberry filling. And you have them in like the hood gas stations. Anyway, that's what these taste like, but in a popcorn form. This is a fuck no. You're going in the trash, big dog. 0 out of 10. Take this shit off the shelf. Sorry, Rick Ross. You missed the mark on that one. But no, I'm fucking with baby and jerk snacks. So yummy. All right, so now I'm about to just, I guess, go home. No, I want to go to Zara. Ooh, excuse me. We even got real acquainted at this point. Why the fuck nobody park, like, I'm about to park right here and eat my food. Walk. I thought you was about to walk right in front of my car. I was going to say, walk in front of my car if you want to. Alright, I'm gonna just park it right here real quick. Alright, I'm done eating. This is a perfume oil that I got. Vanilla bean, it smells so yummy. Oh, I don't know. Oh, the camera looking just dirty. I tried on a lot of the perfume oils. Never mind. This one smells the best. It's vanilla bean. And it just smells like you just fucking smell amazing, bitch. So I'm gonna test it out and see if it's really the neck turner that it say it is. I'll report back. I gotta put on something sweet though as my perfume. Oh, I'll wear Baccarat. Oh, I'm gonna tell y'all about this combo. I'm gonna let y'all know how this go. But it smells good. I can like smell it. Like I know that don't make sense, but like I can smell like how strong it is and like how much it's gonna linger, you know? Okay. What's this? Oh, my wrap snacks. Alright, well honey, I'm finna get on down the road. I'm making it on back to 248. Excuse me. Okay, so I'm getting ready to go to this Friendsgiving. Y'all, I was knocked the fuck out. I ain't even gonna hold you. I was in some good sleep. I just so happened to look at my phone and it said 5:30. And it says it doesn't start until 6.
Here's another one. Oh. Here's another one. Here's another one. Oh. Here's another one.
Okay guys, we made it to the Friendsgiving. Andy got the bottle, check. As soon as I get in this bitch, I'm going to the bathroom. Anyway, I just wanted to tell y'all that I made it. I might get a little footage from the actual function. I don't know, because I'll be lit. Anyway, love you guys. Gotta go. Bye. Period. Home and I'm flames. Look, I don't know the word. Because I'm not a brown. Alright, you go. Drake is the only nigga I know that. This nigga said, Lizzie, please. Come on, Ryan. See ya.